Hello and welcome to a quick Hosk Dev Tip today. It's get an entity reference from an entity. Now, many of you may have been using this tip for a long time, but I, for some reason, only bumped into it a couple of weeks ago. When you're writing plugin code, etc., then oftentimes you'll need entity references. An entity reference is basically a kind of just a lookup to an entity. It provides the logical name and the GUID of the entity, and you'll often use these for other methods, for query expressions, and you often just need to pass this little ID and entity logical name to other parts of the code. Now, before, I would often find myself typing in stuff like this, so making an entity reference, called entref, and then making a new one, and then giving the logical name and the ID. So if I was doing account, it would be account is the logical name, and then and so that works fine enough, but obviously it can be a bit tricky if you're doing custom entities to remember the name, and it involves a bit of typing. So I found out this new method, which I don't know why I didn't really find it before, but it's a bit quicker. You don't need to do that. So you just go entity record. So I've created the entity is coming through this is just a bit of plugin code. Entity's being created there, so I've got an entity object, and so you can just go to entity reference, and then you've got an entity reference from the entity. Just a quicker method will save me some typing many times over. And don't forget to look at Hosk's CRM Dev YouTube channel for more quick tips. There's a playlist specially for them.